The new and improved LATICRETE 125 Sound Crack Adhesive is a single component mortar sold in a convenient 25-pound plastic bag, 56 bags per pallet. LATICRETE 125 Sound Crack Adhesive can be used to install tile and stone over concrete, cement mortar beds, exterior glue plywood, ceramic tile and stone, cement terrazzo, and cement backer board. As with any tile or stone installation, proper surface preparation is essential. To ensure a clean surface, sweep or vacuum the area to be tiled, followed by a thorough cleaning with a damp sponge. All surfaces should be structurally sound, clean, and free of all dirt, oil, grease, paint, concrete sealers, or curing compounds. Surface temperature must be between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 32 degrees Celsius during application and for 24 hours after the installation. Add 3 to 3.5 quarts or 2.8 to 3.3 liters of water into a clean pail. Add the 25 pounds of powder and mix for 2 minutes. Mix with a slow speed mixer to a smooth, trowelable consistency. Allow mortar to slake for 5 to 10 minutes and remix for an additional minute. Remix without adding any more water or powder. It is essential that all walls and building elements are isolated from the floor. It is recommended to install a perimeter isolation strip before the installation of LATICRETE 125 Sound Crack Adhesive. Attach the perimeter isolation strip to the perimeter wall of the entire subfloor, as well as around the perimeter of any protrusions, in order to isolate or break the vibration transmission path between the floor and the wall. The perimeter isolation strip can then be removed after the tiles have set firm. The joints can then be filled with an appropriate acoustical sealant. Apply mortar to the substrate with the flat side of the trowel, pressing firmly to work into the surface. Comb in additional mortar with the notched side of the trowel, and spread as much mortar as can be covered with tile in 15 to 20 minutes. For installations requiring sound control, all tiles must be back buttered. Place tiles into wet, sticky mortar and adjust. Check mortar for complete coverage by periodically removing a tile and inspecting bedding mortar transfer onto back of tile. Only the LATICRETE 125 Sound Crack Adhesive passes the ANSI specification for crack isolation. Ask for the proof and the test results. Only we have it. For additional information on any other LATICRETE products, please consult our website at www.laticrete.com.